Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here once more. You may or may not remember from my previous video, I cloned 3 Panther tanks from my Tamiya plastic kit, took all the dimensions and made 3 extra tanks. So this is one of them, and I just wanted to incorporate it into a diorama of some kind. I will be concentrating more on tank building as well as dioramas in the future, so please stay tuned for that. So just a very simple diorama, a silly idea I suppose. It's a little bit surreal, but we'll get into the video anyway, and I will show you how I went about making it. Before that, however, please subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and the all button, and you'll be notified for new videos. So let's get on with the video and I'll show you how I made it. So I've decided that this is the vehicle that I want on top of the bridge. It's one of my Panthers that I made 3 of in the previous video you might be interested in. So I've cut a piece of card that is just slightly longer than the tank, but this will be broken either end of it, and also there'll be a wall either side of the bridge, so I've allowed for the thickness of the wall there. So that's the size of the top of the bridge there, and then parts of the 2 parts of the arches that have been broken away. I've made, you can make this as high as you like I suppose, but I've made mine 5 inches, and there'll be 2 of those, so that will go to the there and that there. Okay, so that will be the bridge, and then there'll be this piece at the bottom to get the right width at the bottom. Okay, so that's what I've got to stick together. There'll be a piece of polystyrene to show the thickness of the road, because we'll see the broken ends of either end. So a piece of polystyrene along there, and polystyrene to make the thickness of the walls. So when I put all this together, I can put my polystyrene in. Then I can put a thin piece of card around the actual arch itself, or the 2 arches. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'll do. Once it's all fixed together, I've made my bricks. I've made quite a number of videos now on how I make my house bricks. So I'll brick all along the front of the arches there, and then once the bricks are on, then I'll put my stones on the arch like that. I've made them all in one piece rather than individual stones with just little grooves like that, so they will sit there with a brick background. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll come back when it's all stuck together and we'll see what it looks like then. So I stuck all my pieces of card that I cut out together, cut away on the ends there where the bridge is broken, and put a piece of 1/2 inch polystyrene along the road and the walls, and then just picked away to make it level with the top of the wall of the bridge. Okay, so you can see where the wall is broken and where the road is broken either end there. Given it a coat of white wall filler so that I can paint quite easily over the top, and then on this side I've put my bricks. These are the bricks that I made from red tile grout. Okay, I've made a number of videos on how to do that. So I've stuck the bricks on. I need to go over with some grey grout now that will go in between the bricks to represent the mortar. And then I shall crush some of these bricks into smaller pieces and put along the broken wall at the top and the broken road on either end. Then I can stick my stones that I made to go around the arch there. Then finally, I can put my piece of thin card around here to make up the arches either side. That will be the last thing to do. Okay, so I will go ahead and do all that. Probably set it onto a small diorama base. I think it may have to be weighted down because by the time you put something on there, then it's likely to fall over. So I'll fix it to a small base, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all finished and done. Okay, so I finished my diorama, completed the brickwork, put grey grout between the bricks, and then just swabbed off with a damp sponge. That gives the effect of mortar between the bricks. And then the stonework, if you remember, that the two pieces that I made all in one piece to put the surround on the arches there. Then put my thin card for the inside of the arches there and gave it a coat of grey grout to give the impression of concrete. Then sprinkled broken pieces of brick along the top of the walls to show that they're broken walls, and also on the broken road either end. So there we are, that's it, completed. Stuck it on a bit of a diorama base. So it's just an idea. You can now, once you've made your military vehicle, stick it on like so, and it's just a different way of showing off, of presenting your military vehicle that you've just spent 6 months making. This is one of my cloned Panther tanks that I made in the previous video. There will be more on that subject in up and coming videos, but in the meantime this is just one of the cloned ones. And there we are. A bit of a surreal subject, I suppose, an unlikely subject. Either that or the unluckiest tank crew ever to be in that position. So anyway, just an idea and very easy to do. Again, costs very little money. A few bits of cardboard, a few bits of brick, and that's all. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. There will be more videos including tank making coming up, so stay tuned. And if you would like to be informed when new videos come up, then please click the notification bell, and when you click that, click all, and you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.